Hello viewers, today I like to show you how to factory reset Samsung Galaxy J7 2016. Let's have a look. First, from your phone, launch Settings app, swipe up to scroll down and tap on About Phone. Again, swipe up to scroll down and tap on Reset. From here, you can reset settings or network settings. For factory reset, you have to use factory data reset. Reset your phone to its factory default settings. This will erase all data including files and downloaded apps. Tap on factory data reset. All data will be erased from your phone, including your Google account, system and app data, settings, downloaded apps, music, pictures and other user data. Make sure you have all backup before performing factory reset. Swipe up and go to the bottom. Tap on Reset. Last warning before factory reset. All your personal information and downloaded apps will be erased and can't be recovered. Data that has been backed up to the SD card would not be erased. So tap on Delete All. It will restart your phone and start erasing all data. After erasing, it will again restart and take some time to start. After some time, it will start installing applications. That's it. Factory reset done. Tap on Start, follow the steps and tap on Next. Tap on Finish when setup done. That's it. In this way, you can factory reset Samsung Galaxy J7 2016. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap on red subscribe button. Also tap on bell button to receive notifications about all new videos. Thank you. Thank you for watching.